All right, so I came to the charts a little late. Let's see. I'm still sitting in some profit on the Tory trades trend lines. Come out here to the 4 hour because that's what I traded on. GBP USD or JPY still coming down now. It's pretty nice. Waiting for this. I had closed 90% earlier. If I had not, I would have probably been sitting in about, well, it's $1.50 per risk. So almost 3.5 times $1.50. I don't want to do math, but this is me practicing holding my trades longer by just watching them play out and actually being involved in it as I go. So we'll see how that goes. CAD CHF, same thing. I closed 50% down there after I saw the GJ trade. I'm like, you know what? Let me not close everything. I closed half. So once it got to like I think it was 1 to 2, maybe a little over 1 to 2. Yeah. I closed my initial risk and I was like, okay, cool. So this is all fair game now. And I'm actually hovering in profit if it comes back and stops me out. Odd CAD, waiting for this to continue down if it's going to. If not, it'll trip me out and we'll see how it goes. And then USD CAD. USD CAD has broken this. I have this temporary line here. I'm just testing this theory out that I have to when I don't actually have a good point A and point B yet, although I now have a point B. That's my point B. Now, granted, it's a really steep point B, but and it might actually ping when this candle closes. It might actually ping my alert. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's that. So if this will come on down, we'll be good to go. That is a really steep line, so I have a feeling if it's going to come down, I'll end up getting triggered out early, and then it'll pull back a little bit. And if it's going to continue going, that's when we'll turn around and go. So I don't know, but it is what it is. You take what you can get. So moving over to the actual leap challenge. Here's currently where I am sitting on all these trades. Let's go to these charts. I am in every single one of them. This was yesterday's candles is what I was working with. So bullish candle, expecting bullish. Here we go. Bullish candle, expecting bullish. Here we go. Bullish, bullish. Bearish. And we got into some drawdown, but it seems to be rolling over. Silver, same thing. It's bearish. I've noticed that these two sort of look similar a lot. So I haven't put two and two together on whether or not when some move bullish, the other one moved bullish as well. I just haven't done that because this is just a straight test. So this actually made it more than halfway to the target profit before rolling back around, and we'll see where that goes. And then the third one is actually almost getting ready to close out here. I'm at a 1 to 1.3. I think for majority of them, that's what it's set at. That's actually 1 to 2. That's 1 to 3. There's arbitrary. I just threw them out there and saw what it looked like and was like, okay, yeah, that fits. I'm looking for areas basically that it may or may not get a little bit of hesitation from. So like this area here, because it was support, it's like, okay, yeah, it could get there and find some hesitation. If this was 1 to 3, this already when it closed out, or 1 to 1.3, this one wouldn't have made it. So this one's, I think, hard. Okay, no, it's that down here where the furthest point's been before. So it's like there is some sort of rationale to being a little bit higher than a 1 to 1, but I'm not going crazy. So I think these will either make it or they won't. I mean, I guess those are the only choices you get, right? So floating around $2,000 in P&L. And then, yeah, that is it for today.